Hello guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si paano rin tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa performance ni Echo Claridad and kinanta niya dito yung Open Arms. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Okay, play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So, here we go. Ay, wait lang. Excited. So, eto na. Guys, short video performance lang to ni Echo ha.
Lying beside you in rainy time, feeling you're walking goodbye. Softly you whisper
Galing.
you're so sincere. How could a love be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So
Galing. Wow. Grabe naman 'no, sobrang ganda talaga ng boses ni Echo. Isa pa guys, isa pa. So, eto na. Eh, wala ba 'tong full video? Grabe 'no, solid ng boses niya talaga 'no.
Lying beside you in rainy time, feeling you're walking goodbye. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere.
Galing.
How could a love be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I want
Grabe naman, sobrang solid. Sobrang galing talaga ni Echo 'no, kaya gustong-gusto ko talagang pinapanood guys yung mga cover song niya, saka yung mga performances niya, talagang inaabangan ko. Sobrang galing na galing talaga ako sa kanya, ang ganda talaga ng, voice tone niya, yung quality ng boses, grabe pang, international talaga, eh, 'no?